1927 Ford Roadster Body Dragster. Price, $19,900. Location, Clarkston, Washington. A unique blend of vintage hot rod styling and serious drag strip capability. This custom purple dragster is a beautifully built machine designed to deliver excitement both on the track and at car events. Featuring a stunning purple-painted fiberglass 1927 Ford Roadster-style body mounted on a professionally fabricated tubular chassis, this dragster combines classic looks with purpose-built racing engineering. Power comes from a strong-running built Chevrolet inline-six engine equipped with a Clifford aluminum intake, Holley 750 carburetor, and custom stainless exhaust, creating impressive performance and an unforgettable sound. The engine is paired with a built Powerglide automatic transmission, while a durable Ford 9-inch rear end and massive Hoosier rear slicks provide the traction needed for serious launches. Our dream is simple. We're hoping to reach just 1,000 subscribers. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing and supporting our journey. Your encouragement means more than you know and helps us continue creating videos. Every subscription is a small act of kindness that keeps our passion alive. Thank you sincerely. 1934 Morgan MX4 Three-Wheeler. Price, $35,000. Mileage, 100,000 miles. Location, Dayton, Ohio. A rare piece of British motoring history, this 1934 Morgan MX4 is a beautifully preserved vintage three-wheeler that delivers a unique driving experience unlike anything else on the road. Finished in a classic red exterior with a black interior, this iconic Morgan combines lightweight engineering, old-world craftsmanship, and true collector appeal. Power comes from a distinctive 1,000 cubic centimeters matchless V-twin engine, paired with a 3-speed manual transmission plus reverse, providing an engaging and authentic vintage driving experience. Restored during the 1960s, this MX4 has been carefully maintained and remains licensed, insured, and ready to drive, with everything functioning properly. 1971 Bandit Dune Buggy. Price, $10,000. Location, Aurora, Colorado. A fun and eye-catching classic built for sunny cruises and weekend adventures, this 1971 Bandit Dune Buggy Incorporated combines lightweight VW performance with custom style and street-ready capability. Built on a shortened Volkswagen Beetle chassis, this buggy features a bold stance with brand new 15 by 10 rear wheels and tires, matching 15 by 4 front wheels, and a clean custom look finished with gray seat covers and a matching rear cover. Power comes from a strong-running 1915 cubic centimeters VW engine equipped with Italian Weber carburetors, delivering exciting performance and the unmistakable air-cooled VW driving experience. The setup is upgraded with a Gene Berg shifter, adjustable front beam suspension, side pods, and a quick disconnect 9-hole steering wheel for added style and functionality. 1926 Ford Model T Speedster. Price, $12,500. Location, Muskogee, Oklahoma. A beautifully restored example of early American motoring, this 1926 Ford Model T Speedster captures the spirit of vintage performance with carefully upgraded mechanicals and classic style. Built with a focus on reliability and craftsmanship, this unique Speedster retains its original 1926 Ford engine and transmission, enhanced with aluminum pistons, Chevrolet valves, new Babbitt rods and main bearings, and a reground camshaft with adjustable lifters for improved performance and durability. The car features attractive wire wheels with a matching spare, refreshed brake components with freshly turned drums, new brake linings, and a completely rebuilt front axle for confident handling. 1977 Lola T440 Formula Ford Race Car. Price, $8,500. Location, Marietta, Georgia. Pure example of classic open-wheel racing heritage, this 1977 Lola T440 Formula Ford delivers the lightweight performance, precision handling, and authentic competition feel that made Formula Ford one of the world's most respected entry-level racing categories. Professionally designed by Lola Cars, this British-built race machine features a proven Ford Kent 1.6-liter inline-four engine paired with a legendary Hewland MK9 4-speed manual transaxle, providing an engaging and responsive driving experience. The chassis is equipped with adjustable coilover suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, and lightweight 13-inch alloy wheels for exceptional cornering capability and track performance. Additional racing features include a polished nose guard, acrylic windscreen, onboard fire suppression system, and odometer gauges for essential driver information. Refurbished before the current owner's acquisition, this Lola T440 represents an exciting opportunity for vintage racing enthusiasts, collectors, or drivers looking to experience the thrill of a true Formula Ford competition car. 1974 Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price, $5,000. Mileage, 26,715 miles. Location, Rising Sun, Ohio. A fun and affordable classic built for open-air adventures, this 1974 Volkswagen Dune Buggy offers the perfect combination of vintage VW character and weekend cruising enjoyment. Finished in a bold black exterior with a red interior, this street-legal buggy is powered by the classic Volkswagen air-cooled platform and is ready for someone to bring it back into regular use. The car runs, drives, and stops, featuring an upgraded front disc brake conversion, improved handling with recently replaced ball joints and front shocks, and a custom Bluetooth audio system with 2 speakers for added cruising comfort. With its lightweight design, simple mechanical layout, and unmistakable dune buggy style, it is a great choice for beach trips, local cruises, and car shows. 1973 Volkswagen Super Beetle. Price, $8,900. Mileage, 50,000 miles. Location, Aiken, South Carolina. A beautifully refreshed example of one of Volkswagen's most iconic classics. This 1973 VW Super Beetle combines timeless styling with dependable air-cooled performance and a long history of careful ownership. Finished in a bright and eye-catching yellow exterior, this Beetle has received extensive restoration work to to make it a reliable and enjoyable cruiser. The original style 1,600 cubic centimeters engine was completely rebuilt in 2024, delivering smooth performance and confidence on the road, while the rest of the vehicle was thoroughly renovated in 2022. Updates include fresh paint, new tires, a completely renewed interior, new window seals and trim, and a rebuilt brake system for improved safety and comfort. Owned by the seller for the past 10 years, this Super Beetle has been well cared for and maintained with attention to detail. 1969 Barry T Volkswagen Dune Buggy. Price: $9,600. Location: Wendell, North Carolina. A true symbol of open-air fun and classic VW culture, this 1969 Barry T Volkswagen Dune Buggy delivers an exciting driving experience with its lightweight design, unique styling, and go-kart-like personality. Built with a durable fiberglass Barry T body mounted on a Volkswagen chassis, this custom buggy features a sporty open cockpit with black vinyl seats, a protective roll bar, and a convenient snap-on top for added versatility. The aggressive look is enhanced by stylish 5-spoke alloy wheels, exposed rear engine styling, and a distinctive twin-can exhaust setup that gives it an unmistakable custom appearance. Up front, classic round headlights and integrated amber turn signals provide both style and street-ready functionality. 1963 Austin Healey 3000 Custom Roadster. Price: $34,900. Mileage: 5,203 miles. Location: Palmyra, Tennessee. A rare and unforgettable blend of British roadster style and American muscle performance. This 1963 Austin Healey 3000 Custom Roadster has been transformed into a powerful and unique driving machine. Finished in a stunning red exterior with a brown interior, this factory VIN-tagged Austin Healey features a lightweight fiberglass body and a professionally upgraded drivetrain designed for serious performance. Under the hood sits a potent 350 cubic inch V8 producing approximately 400 horsepower, equipped with new aluminum heads, a weaned aluminum intake, brawler chrome 4-barrel double-pumper carburetor, a new high-lift camshaft, and Excel HEI ignition for strong and reliable power delivery. 1976 Alfa Romeo Replica Kit Car. Price: $16,900. Mileage: 11,111 miles. Location: Mankato, Minnesota. A beautifully styled tribute to classic European racing machines, this 1976 Alfa Romeo Replica Kit car delivers vintage charm, open-air excitement, and unique character at an affordable price. Built on a reliable Volkswagen chassis, this fiberglass-bodied roadster recreates the iconic appearance of a 1931 Alfa Romeo, featuring a sleek red exterior, black vinyl interior, and unmistakable pre-war race car styling. Power comes from a dependable VW air-cooled engine paired with a 4-speed Volkswagen manual transmission, providing a simple and enjoyable driving experience. The classic look is enhanced with steel-spoked wheels wrapped in Firestone tires, a distinctive dual windshield design, and a cockpit-inspired interior that gives the driver a true vintage motoring feel. Recent maintenance includes a new fuel pump, rebuilt carburetor, new wheel cylinders, front brake hoses, and master cylinder, helping keep this unique roadster ready for cruising. Additional details include a rear flip-up engine cover, front storage compartment housing the fuel cell and battery, functional gauges, and even a classic UGA horn for extra personality.